Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show how to set up a wallet for your cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to use the MetaMask, which is a very popular one on the Ethereum blockchain. And then I'm going to transfer some of my OMI tokens that I bought last week, and if you haven't checked out that video yet, I have put a video link in the description. I'm not a financial advisor, this is just a technical guide on how to set up the wallet in practice. There are different kinds of wallets out there. Usually you would group them into two categories, the hot wallets and the cold wallets. MetaMask is a hot wallet like all the other wallets that are connected to the internet because they are vulnerable to online attacks. On the other hand, there are the cold wallets, which is a piece of hardware where they are not connected to the internet. They are more secure in terms of online attack, but they might be more inconvenient as well. I like the MetaMask because it's easy to begin with, but as time goes by and you become a more serious investor, you should consider upgrading to a physical wallet. The reason we're using MetaMask today instead of Coinbase is because Coinbase does not support smaller coins like OMI. Alright, let's dive in. First, you're going to open your Chrome browser because it is an extension to the browser. And then you write MetaMask. You go over here and press download now. Add to Chrome. Welcome to MetaMask. This is in Danish. Then you press create a wallet. And create your password. This is going to introduce your secret phrase, which you have to store somewhere. This is the only way you can recover your wallet. And in this box, you can see your download this secret backup phrase and keep it safe on an external encrypted hard drive or storage unit. So now you have the MetaMask open, and in order for us to use the MetaMask, we need to add the Ethereum network first. So you click up here, add network. And then there are these things that we need to fill out. And now we're going to set up the GoChain-network in order for us to add the OMI coin. I'm gonna put a link to this information in the description so you can check if it's up to date. Now we have set up the GoChain network, and next step is to set up the OMI token so we can see it here in our wallet. So you press the import token and then you find the address. And it should automatically put OMI here and the decimal precision. Add custom token, and now you can see the OMI token and our amount we have. Import token, but we don't have any. But we can see it in our wallet here. To transfer the OMI tokens into this wallet, we need to copy this wallet up here. Go to the BitForex account. If you haven't opened a BitForex account yet, you can still register it. There is a referral link in the bottom in the description. Now we're logged into the BitForex account. You go press asset up here if you're not on this page already, and then you go to withdrawals. You find the OMI token here, and you take your wallet address, and then you paste it in here. Well, I just switched browser because I don't know, it kept logging me out of the Chrome one. Well, we have the address set up. You copy the one from your wallet here. You put it in here. And I'm gonna test with a small amount first to see if it's going through. Pressing submit. And now it's verifying everything around here. It's 25%. It can take some moments. Now it says 75%. And we can see the OMI tokens have come into the wallet. So this is how you transfer the money into the MetaMask. And to get the OMI tokens out of the wallet again, you need to go and buy some Go tokens from Binance, for example, and send it to the same wallet, because the fee is going to be in Go coins. Not that much, it's like 1 or 2 Go coins, and for $1 it's like you get 30 or something. I don't know, but that's for another video. Thank you for watching this video. Now you know how to secure your crypto better with the MetaMask wallet. Please feel free to ask any questions that you might have about this topic and put it in the comments. I will put all the information needed to set up this wallet in the description. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not a financial advisor. This was just a technical guide on how to set up the wallet. As a rule of thumb, whenever you make a transaction, especially when the first time here, transfer a smaller test amount to see that your crypto has gone through. Please put a like on this video if you found it valuable. Figure out how to set up the MetaMask, or just learn something new. See you around.